In this video, we will be solving an overall average rate problem. Recall the formula: distance is equal to rate times time. Now when we solve for r, we get rate is equal to distance divided by time. To find the overall average rate, we need to use the formula: overall average rate is equal to total distance divided by total time. The example that we'll be doing: Frank and Judy drive for 100 miles at 50 miles per hour. Then they drive 180 miles at 60 miles per hour. How fast must they drive for the last 120 miles to have an overall average rate of 60 miles per hour for the whole trip? Since distance is equal to rate times time, we can solve for time by dividing both sides by r, and we get time is equal to distance divided by rate. And we can use this formula then to find the time for each piece of the trip. The 100 miles at 50 miles per hour is 2 hours time. The 180 miles at 60 miles per hour is 3 hours time. And then the third piece of the trip is where our variable is. 120 miles at r miles per hour. And so we have to write that as 120 divided by r. So we can get our total distance, add these three distances up, we get 400 miles. Our total time, add these three times up, and we get 5 plus the 120 over r. And then the problem states that we want an overall average rate of 60 miles per hour. So that's also going to be used in our problem. So using our overall average rate formula, we see that the overall average rate, which is 60, is equal to the total distance, which is 400, divided by the total time, which is 5 plus 120 over r. Now we can simplify this complex fraction by multiplying top and bottom here by r, and we get 400r over 5r plus 120. We distributed the r through this binomial, so 5r, and then the r's cancel on the second term. Multiply both sides by the denominator to get rid of our fraction. So these two expressions cancel, and I have 60 times 5r is 300r, and 60 times 120 is 7200. And then again over here the expressions canceled and I just have 400r. So subtract 300r from both sides. That gives us 100r is equal to 7200. Divide both sides by 100, so r is 72.